Welcome to Ask a Teacher, a new program where readers ask questions and teachers answer them. A house or a home? That is the question. How do we know when to use one or the other? In today's Ask a Teacher, we answer this question from one of our readers on Facebook. Hello, and thanks for asking. Both house and home are nouns that refer to living spaces. A house is a kind of building that people live in. Such buildings are often made for just one family. But a home is any kind of structure that people live in. It can be a house or apartment, a trailer, a boat, or something else. For example, my home is a small apartment in the city. The word home can also refer to a place where something is from or native to. Rainforests are home to countless bird species, for example, and Chicago is the home of deep dish pizza. Home can even refer to a sense of emotional belonging. We can say, being around family feels like home, or if you lived in a place and felt a strong emotional connection to it, you might say, for example, New York City will always be my home. Unlike house, we can also use home as an adverb. We mostly pair it with verbs of motion. For example, walk home, get home, go home, drive home, fly home, run home, and come home. But a few are unrelated to motion, such as stay home, call home, and be home. When home is an adverb, we almost never put words between the verb and home. I can say, for example, I'm flying home from Toronto Wednesday. Or, we stayed home last night. It was so cold out. These differences seem easy enough, right? The uncertainty between the two words probably comes when we use house informally. For instance, I can say, I'm at a friend's house, or I'm not leaving the house tonight. But we usually only use the word this way when we're talking about being at a house or leaving or staying in a house. In these statements, you can use house or home. I stayed home last night, and I stayed in the house last night. The meaning is the same. In other words, home is a little more flexible than house. You can stay home or stay in the house. You can also go home or come home, but you cannot go house or come house. And that's Ask a Teacher. I'm Alice Bryant.
Do you have a question for Ask a Teacher? Write to us in the comments area. And be sure to tell us what country you are from.